Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very important for teachers and for those who wants to do free courses related to machine learning, AI and data science. This is going to be very important video, so this can help you and your students. So especially if you are working in a university and you have your email address on university's domain, this can be very useful for you. So you can apply for free license for DataCamp, and in that license you can add your students. They can do free courses, you can assign them assignments, you can also give them courses to do. And one important thing, this is all free, so you can get it free of cost for the period of 6 months, and once this is expired you can apply it again on the same email address. So now I will guide you how to apply for this. So let's get back to the screen. Okay, so I'm showing you this link here. So you just need to go to Google and you can type DataCamp for teachers. Click on this first link and you will see this web page. And here you can see there is an option of create a free class. Click on this and you just need to fill this form here. So I have filled this form already, and you can fill this form anytime and you can apply for this amazing offer by DataCamp. So one thing very important here, so they will ask you the link of your page where you can verify that you are a part of a university or college. So this is a very important step. So you just need to type your school name, your email address, that should be your official university or college email, then your class name. You can give any name to your class, and you can also select your role and click on this. They are going to verify your details, and I think within 2 to 3 hours they are going to give you the access, and then you can add as many students as you want in your courses. And you can see here that I have created a class, and here I have added different students. You can invite members, you can also assign them assignments, and they can also do different courses free of cost. So please apply for this and help your students to get latest knowledge on DataCamp and do free courses as they can. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do a comment and also subscribe to this channel so you can also watch related videos in future. Thank you so much. Have a good day.